everyone. This is Michael Massie. Welcome to episode 7 of Massie Messages. Let me just give you a piece of advice from an attorney. There's a lot of people explaining law all over the internet and on social media. Just be very careful on who you listen to. First of all, you should only be listening to lawyers as it relates to people who can explain law. Law is not as easy as it may seem. If it was that easy, it wouldn't require 3 years of law school and the passing of a state bar. So just be careful on who you listen to. If you want sound advice, you might want to listen to a sound attorney. Today, I'm going to talk about a couple of provisions that changed in Virginia effective July 1st. One deals with food stamps, or TANF. There was a provision that if one had been convicted of a drug-related offense, that one was not eligible to receive food stamps. This has been repealed, and that is a good thing. Food stamps should not in any way ever be related to whether someone has been convicted of a felony, because the purpose of food stamps is to ensure that people that do not have food to eat. In an orderly and decent society, no matter what a person has done or been accused of doing or convicted of, we don't want our citizens to be hungry. It's only a decent thing to do, so I applaud the General Assembly on making a change. Secondly, I just want to talk to you about DUIs and refusals, more about refusals than anything. Prior to July 1st, if you were convicted of a refusal, you couldn't get a suspended license. A restricted license, in court if you got convicted. After July 1st, if you get convicted of a refusal, 30 days after that, you could apply for a restricted license, and this is good. A lot of times people refuse, they have regrets about it, but we still want people to be able to be functional, to be able to go to work, to be able to take their children to school, to be able to take their children to the doctor. So after July 1st, we'll see that now they can apply for a restricted license under the code section and be able to do those things for their family, because we want all people to remain productive. And so that's the law. That will be the law after July 1st of this year. And so we all should conduct ourselves accordingly and really spread the word, especially about the TANF information that I provided today. Taylor's going to talk to you about something that she told me about, and I thought it would be best if she explained it.
So there's a feature on your iPhone called Hey Siri, and basically what it does is it activates your Siri to basically follow whatever commands you say. You can download this app called Shortcuts. It automatically comes with every iPhone, but if you deleted it, just go to the App Store and bring it back. And you can add a shortcut, and what you're doing is you're saying, hey Siri, I'm getting pulled over. When you say that to your phone, it will automatically start to either voice record, if you choose to voice record, or it will record via your camera. That way you can feel safe and assured in your car. It also automatically puts it on Do Not Disturb and dims your screen so that if an officer does come to your window, it doesn't know that your phone is recording.
And I like the provision, not so much as we all know, most police officers are there to serve us, and they serve and protect us. But we want to deal with those situations where things don't go as well as we would expect. And this is just another means of just recording what happened, such that if you were to be in front of a judge, you can reveal to the court, this is what happened, this is what was recorded. And then there's no dispute. There's no dispute about what you said or did, and there's no dispute about what the officer said and did. So it could be a valuable piece of evidence for either party. What do you think about it, Michael?
I think that's great. I think that it's great that Apple is taking charge and taking initiative to hold our law enforcement accountable.
All right, and thank you all. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube page, Massie Messages. Look forward to giving you more information that's informative that you can use in your day-to-day life. Take care.